Welcome. Today we are exploring the impressive engineering behind the cranes that shape our skylines. Cranes are marvels of modern engineering, essential for moving heavy materials beyond the limits of human strength. Whether on high-rise construction or industrial sites, cranes come in many forms, tailored for specific lifting tasks. At the heart of every crane is a clever application of physics, turning simple forces into immense lifting power. By using pulleys and mechanical advantages, a crane can lift loads that would otherwise be impossible to move. Stability is achieved through counterweights, which provide a critical balance against the weight of the load being lifted. From the base to the jib, each part is precision engineered to ensure structural integrity under extreme load. The jib, or boom, acts as the primary arm, extending the crane's reach to deliver materials exactly where needed. Heavy-duty steel cables and powerful hoist drums provide the vertical movement, controlled with remarkable precision. High above the ground, operators use advanced control systems to coordinate every movement of the crane's massive frame. Powering these machines requires robust energy systems that convert force into controlled motion. Hydraulic systems provide the raw power to lift and pivot, while electrical systems handle the precise load positioning. Safety is paramount, with every maneuver carefully calculated to keep the load secure and the surrounding area safe. By understanding these mechanics, we gain a new appreciation for the tools that build our world. Cranes truly are the backbone of modern construction, turning ambitious architectural dreams into reality.